Guys, welcome back to the Nürburgring. NLS2, last time out we had an absolute dream. We had pole, fastest lap and the win, but this time round much stiffer competition. It's going to be an awesome weekend.
Okay guys, we are just more than halfway into the race. Things are looking pretty good, really good battle for first at the moment. Now I got from third to first at the beginning, dropped back to second, and main rival that went past, they just had a puncture. But us, we're looking good. I think at the end, it's going to be, I just really don't know who's going to win, but we'll see.